I'm in Cramlington today for day one of our new mezzanine floor project for a company called Advanced Electronics. They are one of the world's leading designers and manufacturers of fire systems, and they have offices in the UK, US, Australia and Dubai, and they provide systems for companies all across the world in over 60 countries. So not only am I here today to showcase the first day of our new mezzanine floor project, but I'm also here to set up our new time-lapse camera. Now this takes so many photos every few seconds, and then I edit it into a nice video format at the end of the project so you can see each step as we build it. Advanced Electronics originally contacted us through Google and invited us in to conduct a site survey and look at their requirements. We soon discovered that they required more storage space within their warehouse and new canteen facilities for all their employees. And this mezzanine floor solution will provide them with just that. That's it today from me on site. As you can see, they've completed the first stage of the mezzanine floor. Check back for updates on our Twitter feed and of course on YouTube. And like I say, at the end of the project, we'll be uploading a time lapse so you can see each aspect of the project as it's completed.